everybody. We are from Nishka Instruments from Mumbai. So we are basically into the measuring all type of pressure, temperature, level and flow instruments. So we have been into this field for more than 10 years and we have been supplying to most of the process industries like thermal or water treatment or chemical or pharma. All these industries we are supplying regularly. So we are participating in this Automation Expo 2026 for 3 days. That is from March 12th to up to 14th. In case any of you wish to have more exposure on these products, you can always welcome to come and see and get knowledge, share our knowledge for these products.